you all joining us as we officially launch one of the most anticipated events of 2026. Ito na guys, the Viva All-Star Games 2026. Can I hear you guys make some noise for that? I mean, diba, what a way to celebrate sports, basketball, volleyball, all the things na pwede nyo isipin happening on August 16, 2026 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Now, we are delighted to welcome our friends from the media. Maraming salamat po for being here, our valued partners, and of course, our special guests, and also the fans. Hey guys, what's up with you all? Thank you so much for being with us. Maraming salamat. I see some Gyros fans over here, Gyros Lovers Official. Adi, wow, hello guys, thank you so much. Rob, anong tawag sa fancy Rob? Robbers? Robbers, thank you so much for being here guys. Now, this year's Viva All-Star Games promises an exciting showdown as Team Viva One takes on Team Viva Records in a thrilling celebration of sports, music, and entertainment. Now, more than just a basketball game, it is an opportunity for the fans to see their favorite Viva artists come together, showcase their competitive spirits, and create unforgettable moments both on and off the court. Okay, are you guys excited for this one? Nakapag-secure na ba kayo ng tickets? Yep. Thank you so much. I love that. Now, to everyone watching from home, to our friends online, thank you so much for being with us, streaming live on the VAA Live, VAA, Viva One, and Viva Records Facebook pages. Be sure to share the live stream and invite your family and friends to join in on the excitement. Once again, thank you so much for being here, and we cannot wait to share what's in store for this year's Viva All-Star Games 2026. Welcome, I am CJ Villavicencio, and let's get this started. Ladies and gentlemen, eto na, get ready for an exciting showdown as two powerhouse teams go head-to-head in the most anticipated basketball event of the year, the Viva All-Star Games 2026. Now, this year's event brings together some of the Viva's brightest stars for an action-packed day of basketball, camaraderie, and entertainment as Team Viva One takes on Team Viva Records on August 16 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Eto na, are you guys ready to see them here on stage? Because I am about to call them now. Now, representing Team Viva Records we have Addy. There we go. We have Addy in the house. Where is it? Can we call in Addy to come on stage, please? Ayan, together with Rob Daniel, Emil So, and Migo Valid. Hello, Addy. What is up? Please take center stage. Ayan. Thank you so much, Addy. Addy, dito ko muna sa center, please. Thank you so much. Are you ready? Ready ka na sa basketball game? Yep. Ready na? Thank you so much. Of course, joining Addy is Rob Daniel. There we go. Calling in Rob Daniel. Thank you so much. There we go. Eto na, isa pa tong malakas maglaro din, I heard. Ayan, please join Addy there. Of course, Emil Sol is also here with us. Ayan, representing again Team Viva Records. What's up, Emil? Join the boys over there. Thank you so much. And we have Migo Valid. Ayan, magkakaalaman na tayo, di ba, sa ating basketball games. There we go, Migo. Please join your team over there. Picture muna kayo, guys. Please take the center stage. Ayan. We have your Team Viva Records. Palakpakan naman natin, guys, ang mga sasabak sa basketball game na ito. Thank you so much. Now, representing the other team, we have Team Viva One, Gab Lagman. First on the list is this amazing basketball player, Gab Lagman, in the house. There we go. Hi, Gab. Please take the center stage. Ayan, sa gitna ka muna. Thank you so much, brother. Of course, we also have Lance Carr. There we go. Ayan, standby ka muna dyan, Gab. Wait for your other teammates. There we go. Thank you so much, Lance Carr. Lance, sa gitna ka muna. Yep. Gab, can you take the center stage, please, with Lance? Ayan. There we go. This is exciting. Next, we have Rabin Angeles. You know, Nux. And of course, Joseph Marco is also here with us. Next, Jairus Aquino. Ayan, there we go. Team Viva won. Now guys, nakita natin dito sa stage ang Team Viva Records and Team Viva 1 na maglalaban sa Viva All-Star Games 2026 for the basketball. Are you guys ready for this one? Ready na ba kayo to see these faces, battle face-to-face sa court? There we go, guys. Maraming salamat. You can now take your seats. Perfect. Okay. Wow, nasa-sense ko na yung fighting spirit ni Gab. Are you excited, Gab? Super. Ayan, okay. So, thank you so much. Today is going to be extra special because we have friends from the press who are going to ask questions. So let's please make our questions related lamang to this project, and you can ask 1 to 2 questions para sa kanilang lahat. So let us begin. We have first on the list from People's Journal, Eugene Assis. Hi, Sir Eugene.
Hi, good afternoon. Para sa lahat, how ready are you for the game?
Oh, okay. Sino ba? Can we have Jairus first to answer the question? Tapos pag ganun tayo. Surprise, Jai? How ready are you?
We're very much ready, I guess, kasi most of us are doing extra work. I know Gab is doing extra work. Lance is also doing extra work. So is Joseph and Rabin. Always present naman sa practice. And ako, I'm also doing extra work despite of the injury pa din. Pero yeah, I guess we're all ready. Everybody's healthy except me. Pero sobrang ready na kami. We're excited to be at the Big Dome. We're excited to play with against the Viva Records and to show the people a very, very good game. Di ba, Lance?
Yes po. Ako naman saktong ready lang still, doing training to get my body into basketball condition. Siyempre, papalapit na po yung All-Star. So, very excited kasi first time rin po magkakaroon ng Viva All-Star Games. So, ayaw lang po namin na masayang po yung opportunity na makapaglaro po sa Big Dome.
First of all, good afternoon po sa lahat ng nandito, and thank you so much for being with us. Going back to the question, born ready.
Love the answer. Hello, good afternoon po everyone, and thank you for giving us your time. And of course, kudos to Viva. They're giving us practices every week. We have Coach Jerry Condernera, so binibigyan niya kami ng nakakatuwa nga eh. I feel like back in high school, the way na pinapatakbo kami and yung mga yung mga suicides. So okay naman po, and we're doing also extra work, getting coach drills to be ready for Araneta. For me, I'm super excited. It's my first time ever playing in Araneta, and it's always been my dream. So yun po.
Hello po, good afternoon. Ako po, sa totoo lang, hindi po ako masyadong ready kasi sobrang dami ko pong ginagawa lately. Parang ang dami po naming tinitaping ngayon. Pero pag may oras naman po nakakapaglaro ako tapos nakapag-training na po ako mga ilang beses. And sobrang happy ko na makakapaglaro po ako dito sa Viva All-Star Games kasi makakasama ko yung mga idol ko, di ba? Yan.
Yeah, there we go. We'd love to hear the answers from Team Viva Records.
Check mic. Magandang tanghali at hapon po sa inyong lahat. Yes, we're getting ready naman din po para dito sa Viva All-Star Basketball Games. And huge shoutout din kay Coach Ronnie Magsanok for keeping us prepared para dito sa event na ito. At ayun, sobrang grateful lang din kami na mapapakita naman yung other side ng whole being namin. So, yan. Rob, back to you.
Hello. Siyempre, excited ako makalaro silang lahat. Yung mga kaibigan ko na usually nakakalaro ko lang rin off-cam, makakalaro ko na rin sila dito sa Big Dome. So, really excited and yun, nagpa-practice. At enjoy lang din. Yan.
Ayun, excited and ready na rin kami. Nagpa-practice and excited kami kasi itong mga to sa Team Viva Records, itong mga nakakasama ko sa mga gig ganyan. Nakakasama ko naman sila ngayon sa paglalaro sa basketball. So, bonding experience na rin siya for us. And ayun, parang mas nadideepen pa yung chemistry namin. Yun.
Hello po, magandang hapon. Ako, lagi naman ako ready pagdating sa basketball kasi part na ng buhay ko talaga yung basketball eh. Pero may konting adjustment kasi syempre, Viva Records kami. Nagbe-build kami ng chemistry kahit na busy, naghahanap kami ng time para mag-practice, para magkita-kita, para paghandaan yung Viva All-Star Games. Syempre, sobrang excited makalaro itong mga idol natin sa Viva 1 kasi balita ako mahuhusay doon itong mga to.
Okay, follow up dun sa question na yun. Sino sa mga kalaban niyo yung kinatatakutan yung makaharap? Yun sa mga kalaban. Anyone can answer.
We all respect all the players po. And I know they've been doing hard work training. So, wala naman po sa isa sa kanila. I think we all respect them.
Yes, sa Team Viva Records, sino daw yung pinaka-nakatakutan niyo sa kabila?
Si CJ po.
Hindi.
Hindi ka pala kasali?
Cheer dance,
Hindi. Actually, lahat sila kasi alam ko condition sila lahat and alam kong magagaling sila. So, para sa akin, threat silang lahat. So magandang laban to. Enjoy lang.
All right, there you go. We're excited for that. Thank you so much. Up next, we have from Daily Tribune, Pauline Sonko. Hi, Ms. Pauline.
This question is for anyone who would like to answer. How competitive do you think you'll get at the game knowing that you'll be up against your fellow Viva artists?
Yes, Lance?
Kami siguro okay kami, competitive kami. Ewan ko lang sa katabi ko. I've been playing with him since how many years now? Alam ni Gab yan. Hindi ko alam kailan. Siguro siya makakasagot yan o competitive yung ibibigay niya.
Para sa iyo talaga yung question.
Para sa
ito,
iyo
bro.
question, bro. Inunahan ko lang para hindi mo iwasan.
Well, I can say this on behalf of everyone naman na nandito sa press con na it's really a privilege to play in the Big Dome. And hindi po lahat nabibigyan ng chance na makapaglaro dito. So, alam mo parang, syempre, sulitin na lang din namin yung time na maglalaro kami sa Big Dome. Kaya parang gusto na rin namin ipakita na kung ano yung talents namin sa basketball maliban lang sa acting. Kaya siguro yung competitive level, I think everybody's gonna be at 100% sa competitive level kasi it's really a huge privilege to play in the Big Dome po.
We're all competitive, but at the end of the day, it's all love. We're here to put on a good show and just have fun.
Ikaw, Gab, you want to say something?
Like what they said, especially, syempre may pride din kung sinong first ever Viva All-Star game. Everyone wants to win the first game, So, I could tell the Viva one is very competitive, and of course, I could tell they're very competitive as well. And of course, yung nga sabi ni Joseph Marco, it's all love. We want to give back to the fans. We want them to enjoy. Kaya nagpapasalamat din kami sa Viva for setting this up.
There you go, Rabs. Okay na? Yeah, how about for the other one? For the other group? Ayan.
Ayun.
Emil Sol.
Ayan, competitive din. Gusto namin ding manalo. And I think part of wanting to give a good show is to, give our all as well. So gusto namin i-give yung best namin. Not just to win, but to give a good show. Ayan, it's a privilege to be able to play nga sa Araneta. So, minsan lang naman di ba? Galingan na namin. And I'm sure ganun din sa Viva 1. Adi, you want to add?
Wow, Adi.
Gaya lang ng sabi ni Amiel. Yeah. Hindi, pero yun. Nung una naman po parang gusto lang namin mag-have fun. Ganun. Gusto lang namin i-enjoy yung magiging kabuuan ng game. Pero since parang binigyan kami ni Coach Ronnie ng winning mentality and competitive spirit. So parang nadala na lang din kami na gawin din yun. At the same time, nagustuhan na lang din namin na i-execute yun sa big day, sa game mismo. So, ayun, para din, treat na din sa fans ng Viva and sa aming lahat. At ayun, yun lang po.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, Rob, you want to add something? Okay na, yeah. Thank you so much. Miss Pauline, do you have another question po? All good. Thank you so much, boys. Thank you, thank you. Up next, we have from Manila Standard, Jasper Valdez.
Sa basketball court, anong side ng personality nyo na hindi usually nakikita ng fans na ilalabas nyo or mailalabas nyo sa tingin nyo?
Yun nga sa yung competitive ano namin mentality. Siguro yung pagka-Mamba mentality. Shout out to Kobe. Yun po kasi syempre very pag sa basketball kasi parang yung you're giving it all and ayaw mong natatalo. So lalabas yung ibang pagka-side na competitive namin. So yun.
Yeah, I agree to that. Siguro yung pagiging it's the seriousness. Parang mas seryoso kami sa basketball more than acting.
Oh, okay. Interesting take. Yes, Lance?
Feel ko nagkakaroon kami ng split personality pag naglaro kami. Pero hindi naman.
Sabi ni Jen, parang ikaw, tell us about it. Tell us about it.
Hindi, parang it's the game that we all love playing eh. And like, iba yung passion talaga namin sa basketball. Like, growing up, as in mula bata pa, I'm pretty sure lahat kami naglalaro dito. And then, iba kasi yung atmosphere ng Big Dome eh. It's really intimidating to play in the Big Dome. Pero it's really fun pa rin. Siyempre yung parang nakakaano yung sigaw ng crowd. So, yeah, Jairus.
I couldn't say na may mag-iiba. Pero I guess the competitiveness will bring out the best out of us. So, if meron mang hindi maganda sa mata ng iba, it's just us trying to win the game and just trying to being competitive lang with the sport that we love and kinalakihan talaga naming lahat. Pero at the end of the day, syempre nga, all love pa din. Kung ano naman yung lumalabas, it's just all competitiveness and wala eh. Ewan ko, hindi ko pa naman nakikita yung sarili ko na may ibang Ewan ko lang si Lance sa yung si Marco. Wala pang si Marco eh. Pero yeah, iba-ibang competitiveness din kasi nung dala nung iba. Yung drive talaga. It's not a bad thing. The drive lang na nadadala. So, I don't think it's bad as long as it's controlled and it's all about game. So, wala naman sigurong dapat alalahanin. So, yeah.
Ayun po, gaya po na sabi nila, lalabas po yung pagka-competitive namin dito and yung siguro mas seryoso po kami dito kasi first time po ng Viva na maglalaro sa Big Dome. Yan.
Ayun, nasabi na rin ng lahat na lalabas nga yung competitive side namin. Pero it's just part of the willingness to win the game. And I think mahalaga siya, yung other side na yun. Para yun, ma-enjoy and maganda yung laban. Yan.
Yes, Emil?
Ako naman, other than being competitive, I think, meron kaming ako personally, parang lumalabas yung pagkabata ko ulit na, uy, ako dati nung bata ako, bago ko pa maging pangarap ng music, pangarap ko muna maging PBA player. No, ha? Hanggang sa nalaman ko, ay, there's levels to this, di ba? Parang, okay, pang na lang pala to, pang barangay. Pero, alam mo yun, parang it's a full circle moment na, ay, hindi man natupad yung ganong pangarap. Parang, uy, makakalaro din kami kahit pa paano sa gantong atmosphere in a different sense. So, kahit na minsan lang dahil nga minsan lang yung gantong mga opportunity, parang, uy, susulitin na talaga namin to. Yeah.
Yun. And I'm sure the adrenaline is gonna be extra different this time, di ba? How about you, amigo?
Ako, pinag-usapan na nila yung about sa kinalakihan nila kasi lumaki ako sa lugar na kahit ice tubig lang nagpapatayan eh. Parang, alam mo yun, kahit na wala namang kailangan pagtalunan, pero dahil pride yung, pag-usapang basketball, it's all about pride eh. Kung sino manalo, hinahabangan, parang ganun siya eh, sa lalaki, pagdating sa lalaki. Pero sa akin, this side yung parang, ayun, dahil lumaki rin ako sa ganong lugar, yung parang nakikipagpalitan pa ako ng mukha para lang manalo sa laro. So, pero dito, dahil dito, enjoy lang. Siyempre, para sa fans na at the same time, para mag-enjoy sila. And, ayun, more on competitive talaga. For sure.
Yun, there we go. Okay. Okay na po ba yung ano natin? Sir Jasper? All good?
Yes,
But now
thank
I'd like to call on stage to complete the team of Viva 1. We have Marco Gallo in the house. Ayan. Hey, Marco. What is up? Ayan, sige. Have a seat. Join your teammates. I'm sure you're extra ready na din for the All-Star Games, as you always do, of course. Marco Gallo, thank you so much for, being here and putting your A game sa lahat ng mga laro mo. Up next, we have from Anong Ganap, Sir Erwin Agawa. Hi, Sir Erwin.
Hello. Kaya I'm just curious, sino yung mga naging basketball heroes nyo growing up? Basketball heroes nyo.
Unahan ko na.
For me, Dirk Nowitzki, and of course Kobe, and Luka Doncic.
NBA.
Ako, Kobe Bryant talaga. Ever since Kobe, kasi yung brother ko started as a Kobe fan. And then, yun kasi yung bond namin ng kuya ko. And then, kaya ako nakilala si Kobe. That's why, basketball hero.
James Yap po, sa akin.
PBA local.
Hindi. James Yap kasi, hindi daw local. James Yap po kasi first time nakanood po ako ng basketball sa TV. It was a Pure Foods game po. And parang dun ko po naging sobrang idol si James Yap. And then eventually Kobe Bryant din po.
Same, yeah. Kobe Bryant and Allen Iverson.
The rest.
Yes, Rabs?
Ako rin po si Kobe, kaya yung jersey number ko, number 8.
Oh,
Laking Kobe lahat eh, no?
I think Rodman. Yeah.
Yes. 90s.
How about for Team Viva Records? Sino yung mga basketball heroes?
Ako, siguro po elite ball knowledge to. Si Sean Livingston. So, ewan ko, mas natuwa ako dun sa practicality ng game niya. Like, sobrang ideal pa rin for him ng mid-range even though na yung generation during nung stint ng Golden State championship run nila, parang in-enjoy niya pa rin yung mid-range. Yan. So, same with my playing style lang din siguro po. Ganun.
Ako, laking PBA rin ako. Same kami ni Lance. James Yap.
James Yap.
Laking PBA din ako. Yung airpod ko, yun lagi yung pinapanood sa TV. So, yun yung kinalakihan kong basketball na pinapanood. So, ayan.
Ako po si Lebron.
Nga ba, sa akin, din, pares kami nila, James Yap and PJ Simon, Pure Foods Day. Siyempre, pero sa NBA, Derrick Rose talaga ako, bata pa lang. So, ayan.
Okay, thank you. Best of luck sa games.
Yun, there we go. Thank you so much, Sir Erwin. Up next, we have from Pika Pika, Adam Laurena. Hi, Sir Adam.
Hello. Ang question ko lang is, ano yung pinaka-tumatak sa inyong tinuro ng respective coaches niyo while practicing?
Sige, sige, Gab. Let's start with you.
I guess he told me yung pinaka-condition na team yun yung mananalo. So that's why he wants us to, keep running. But of course, hindi lang naman din yung sa pagiging kondisyon, but yung chemistry ng team. So, that's what we love for having this Viva All-Star game because we're gonna build brotherhood, especially in Araneta. So, yun.
Yeah, for me, it's all about hard work. It's like what you give is what you get. Kung you're gonna give 100%, most likely you're gonna get 100%. But if 50% lang yan, you don't expect that you get 100%.
Ikaw, Marco.
I think coach is giving us a sense of camaraderie, if that's how you say camaraderie, right? Yeah. Because we always see each other at work, but then we're trying to have this chemistry that it's new to us, and I think it's working, right? Because we know that Lance is a shooter, and then Gab is the big man. I try to rebound. You know, Jairus, you never know. He tries one of those hard shots and he makes it. So you guys better watch out, you know. We're giving you the tips, but like you better watch out for real.
Ayan. Alright.
Joseph Marco, sometimes he has like those Kyrie Irving layups. Yeah. Robin, huh. Wait for the red hair. Papa. Anyways, all right, thank you.
There we go. Ano naman yung panlaban nyo doon, Team Viva Records? Ayan. Migo, you wanna say something?
Parang ang hirap sundan nun. Pero sa amin, ang sinasabi lang lagi sa amin ni Coach Ronnie, kailangan lang talaga all out lang. Laging, bigay lang lagi yung best. Go harder. Kasi, gano'n naman eh. Kung susuko ka agad, wala rin naman patutunguhan yan. So, bigay lang ng bigay. Kapag sumablay, balik depensa. Basic.
Yung tinuro sa amin ni Coach Ronnie is being part of a system na it's not just you out there. Na team talaga kayo and you won't win alone. Ayun. Yes, Rob.
Ayun nga, ganun din. More of team play. Yung maging matalino lang sa pagbabasketball. Yung mga common sense lang din na yun, pag libre ka, itira mo na. Or pag may nakita kang kampi na libre, ipasa mo. May mga ganong instances. So, ayan, yun yung pinaka-tumatak sa akin.
Nasabi na nila. Yun lang.
Ayan, okay. Thank you so much, guys. All right, Adam, okay na? All
Thank
good?
you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Next, we have from Philippine star, Charmy Pagulong. Hi, Charmy.
Hello. So one question lang. Ano yung most memorable moment nyo from playing basketball in the past? Yan.
Jai, do you have any memorable experiences before?
Talagang oras pag-isip pag ako nasa dulo. Siguro yung first time ko din playing at the Big Dome. So parang hindi comeback, pero I guess a full circle moment na magkaroon ulit ng chance na makapaglaro sa Big Dome.
So this is your second time?
Second nga ba? Yeah, I guess. Parang second ko yata.
Okay.
So, kaya iba talaga yung energy. Kaya yung sinasabi namin, like nila Lance, na because we've been there, iba talaga yung feeling playing there. No? Especially kapag andyan na yung mga tao, you know that your fans are out there supporting you. Minsan nakakalimutan mo na yung sense na may kakampi ako. Yung mga inaral niyo for the past weeks na or for the past trainings na ginagawa ninyo, makakalimutan nyo lahat yun kapag nagpadala kayo dun sa vibe nung Araneta. So this time around, sinasabi din namin sa kanila na you just gotta stay relaxed and let the game come to you. Pero yun talagang memorable sa akin is yun, yung playing sa Araneta and kasi iba surreal moment talaga siya. Dahil nga, gaya nga ng sabi ni Amiel na parang pangarap mo lang maglaro sa Araneta. Tapos this time, lalaro ka ulit. No? So imagine that na it's a childhood dream come true talaga para sa aming lahat dito. So, yun.
Love that for you, Jai. How about you, Lance?
Most memorable po siguro palarong pambansa po. Being able to represent the Davao region dati and being able to play with like the stars of Philippine basketball ngayon like sila David Defonso, JD Kagulangan. Sobrang lang po yung experience yun sa akin na makapagpalarong pambansa po dati. And syempre, wearing the Ateneo jersey po.
Of course, what a beautiful core memory. How about you, Joseph?
I guess one of the best games of my basketball career was when we played in Winnipeg, Canada. So parang yun, sobrang memorable sa akin kasi I was so blessed with such a good game. And siguro yung isa pa na, actually kasama ko si Gab nung nag-New Zealand kami. Sobra lang yung bonding nung team namin dun sa trip namin. And yeah, it's very memorable.
For me, I have a lot, pero a couple will be, I guess 2 years ago when the Chasing in the Wild team, we played the LPU college in front of the school. That was pretty cool. And also, when I was a big PBA fan rin, big San Miguel fan, kami ng lolo ko. And then, I played with the PBA players sa Ormoc, with sila Kuya Dondon Ontiveros, and then sila Arvin Santos, Willie Miller, like playing with the PBA players that you used to look up to, and then now you get to play with them in front of people. Such a big privilege. And yun nga, also the out of the country games, we're just lucky to play the sport that we love and get to enjoy it.
Wow, for sure. Rabin?
Ako po, ang pinaka-memorable siguro sa akin nung bata ako, parang halos everyday ako nasa court. Parang 6 a.m. pa lang naglalaro na ako doon. Tapos nakapaalang ako. Maghapon kami naglalaro. Tapos sugat-sugat na yung paa ko. Tapos nagpupustahan kami para sa tubig. Iyon siguro. Yung kung paano po ako nagsimula dati. Yung wala pa akong pambili sapatos.
Yung humble beginnings, no? Alright, Marco?
I started basketball like last year, so I'm very new to basketball. But my favorite memory of basketball is like whenever Lance and he would like teach me drills at the third floor gym. And then it's like, you know, we try to be competitive, but like sometimes I do get, you know, better at defense. So, no, I think I'm really getting better because of Lance on defense. So I'm getting like Ateneo training, and that's what I'm bringing to the game. Letting you know. Okay, anyways.
Alright, thank you so much. Team Viva Records, kayo naman, ano yung mga core memory ninyo, most unforgettable experiences?
Ako honestly, lahat ng liga na nilaruan ko before, talaga memorable. Para sa akin, every time na naglalaro ako ng basketball, talaga ngayon, sobrang happy ako eh. Kasi yun talaga yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa akin. Pero yung pinaka-memorable sa akin is yung nagsimula ako sa basketball nung bata ako. And nung time na yun, binubuhat pa ako ng tatay ko kahit na mismo nasa liga. Kasi kung saan-saan ko binabato yung bola, no one time nabato ko sa tao, tapos kinuha ko ng referee, tapos nilabas ako sa court. Ayun yung memorable sa akin.
Foreshadowing, no? Emil?
Ako, I don't have a specific memory, pero I think yung mga friendship lang na nabuo ko sa mga friends ko. And yun talaga yung bonding namin, yung mga kaibigan ko growing up. So, more than the sport itself, it's the bond that it has created in my life. Yan.
Thank you. Rob?
Ako yung maglaro ng basketball since elementary hanggang high school. Ayun, kaya na-miss ko yung pagiging competitive rin, and dito ko siya malalabas ulit sa Viva All-Star Game. And, ayun lang naman.
Adi?
Ako po siguro yung favorite moment. High school siguro, nung nag-tryout ako for varsity. During that time, parang wala akong idea kung anong pwede kong magawa sa basketball court. Ganun. Alam ko marunong lang ako mag-dribble. Tapos eventually yun, parang binigyan ako ng chance ng coach ko. Shoutout kay Coach Marvic Vasquez. Ayun. Tinuruan niyo ako kung paano, yung mga fundamentals. Ganun. So feeling ko kung hindi nangyari yun, hindi ko mamahalin yung basketball sa pagmamahal ko ngayon. Ganun. Anyway, yun na. Share ko lang.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you, Ms. Charmy. Appreciate that. Up next, we have from Marites University, Sir June Nardo. Hi, Sir June.
Hello. Wala pa tanan, hindi pa ang tatanong, ano? Hindi, ito na. Since lahat naman yata kayo nakapaglaro ng basketball, ng bata pa, ano yung nakipagbubugan ba kayo? Nagpagsuntukan dahil sa basketball? Noong mga bata-bata pa kayo? Nakapagkaroon ba kayo ng ganung experience? O yung mga balya-balya, normal lang yun eh. Siko, normal lang yun. Yung suntukan talaga. Dahil lang sa basketball. Na-experience nyo ba yun? Ikaw si Kabiata, maraming experience na gano'n.
Wala. Sinabi ko mga si Lance
Wala.
kasi...
Baka si Lance, oo.
Physical
Ateneo
kasi si
pala
Lance.
yan.
Na-shock
controversial yung school,
Hindi, sa basketball naman po kasi sabi nyo nga po normal lang yung balyaan. Pero wala pa, hindi pa po ako na paaway.
Jerome, wala. Ay, J.S. Joseph, wala naman.
Wala, hindi po ako palaaway. Siguro, angasan lang siguro. Tsaka pagka
parte
medyo
na yun.
napipikon, parang usually kasi yung mga teammates mo parang nilalayo ka, para hindi masira yung game mo, tsaka para hindi ka ma-thrown out sa laro. So, parang
Yun lang,
wala
ganun
naman.
lang.
I think basketball is also parang siya parang mind games din siya. Pag nagpatalo ka sa init ng ulo mo, wala, talo ka.
Yeah, I mean, playing for Ateneo for the longest time, parang syempre turo din sa amin ng coach namin dati na character always comes first. Sabi rin po ng coach ko sa akin dati, hindi mo sila kalaban, kalaro mo lang sila. So I'm really, yung team namin dati, we were just like focused on playing clean, playing tough but not dirty po. Parang ganun. And it's always character that always stays on top.
Jairus. Wala naman. O, sige. Sino ba? Marco or what? Your Robin?
Ako wala naman po.
Marco?
No. I mean, I try not to have beef with anybody, honestly. Like, sometimes I mess up. I don't mean it. Just so you know, in the game, I don't mean the foul. If I mess up, I'll catch you for real. Okay? Anyways.
Si Adi. Sanay yata si Adi.
Ay, hindi na, may mga moments po na parang arguments lang, ganun. Minsan kasi nakakatanggap po kami. Or hindi lang ako siguro, no? Kapag nagbabasketball sa ngayon, let's say nagbabasketball sa amin, ganun. May mga kalaban na dayo. Usually, nagagamit na alas sa amin as trash talk. Kumanta na lang kayo, mga ganang moments. Yes, so many times. Then, parang siguro nag-build up lang din yon ng something sa amin to show our competitiveness, gano'n. Ayun, mga ganong moments lang. Pero, something na hindi naman siya too big deal, gano'n.
Rob? Meron ba?
Ay, wala naman po yung mga bugbugan, gano'n.
Walang bugbugan.
Yung mga
Balyahan
asaran lang, gano'n, balyahan. Pero it's part of the game, so, ayun, respeto pa rin after ng laro.
Ako wala naman po. Tahimik lang po ako maglaro. Kaya hindi naman ako napapaaway.
Yeah, nonchalant lang. Migo?
Before meron po kasi sa amin sa barangay namin.
Oo, di ba si Migo? Sige,
Pag basketball talaga, kala mo may kapalit na pera eh. Pero parang more on competition eh. Parang kasing lugar-lugar yon. So, kami naman, yung team namin, mababait kami kasi never kaming nag-initiate ng away. So parang sa kanila, during game, nanununtok sila. And kami naman, wala naman kaming magawa kasi never naman kami nakipag-away. So after nun, abangan sa labas, kami, hindi kami nakikipag-away. So ang ginawa na lang is lumapit kami sa barangay para humingi ng tulong. Ayan, something like that lang.
Since magkaiba kayong grupo, sino gusto nyong makatapat sa laro? Mga kalaban? Bibactors, gusto nyong bantayan pagdating sa basketball?
Ay, parang gustong one-on-one.
Oo.
Yan. Okay, sige, let's start.
Meron ba kayong gusto sa Viva Records? O Viva Records? Viva Actors? Meron? Para makakakilala ba kayo?
Nag-meet naman and we see them also perform sa mga Viva events. Pero, I guess wala naman kasi Syempre, di kami pwedeng mamili kung sinong babantayan. Whoever's on in front of us, yun ay babantayan namin. So, we're just ready for any matchup naman.
Ikaw, Lance, sino daw yung...
Pero balita po namin yung Migo Valid po daw, kabayo daw ng Viva Records.
Ay, grabe.
Si Migo
Siya yung kabayo po ng Viva Records. So, si Migo po.
Ako, I would say po, gusto ko pong makalaro si Rob Daniel since siya yung kumanta ng OST ng My Husband is a Mafia Boss. So, yeah.
Gab?
Ikaw, Gab?
Wala naman po, lahat sila.
Wow. Anong height mo, Gab?
6'1 po.
Naku. Ayan, nabantayan si Gab, Robin.
Ako po, si Arthur Neri po siguro yung
Si
babantayan
Arthur.
ko. Idol ko po yan eh.
Marco.
I think, same Arthur Neri, because I always listen to his music. So I'm like, dude, I wanna see if I can defend him. You know, he's not gonna get through.
Ikaw naman, Adi, the other way around. Sino gusto mong bantayan?
Wala naman po, kahit sino lang po yung makamatch up sa court. Ganun. Situational naman din po yung basketball. Ayan lang po.
Rob.
Ako siguro si Joseph Marco.
Wow.
Kasi nag-leading man po siya sa music video ko. Yan.
Magpapasa kami ng bola.
Ako hindi sa makalaban or bantayan, pero gusto ko mapanood maglaro si Lance kasi palarong pambansa siya and it takes a different kind of discipline to be able to reach that level. So, hanga ako sa kanya at gusto ko siya mapanood maglaro.
Gets.
Wow.
Thank you.
Migo.
Ako gusto ko din si Lance Carr kasi para sa akin, dami niyang experience and I think playing with him, marami akong matututunan and magagamit in the future pagdating sa basketball.
Last na lang Tana, wala yung 3. Hindi ito 3 ka Tana. Sino mga, may muses na ba kayo? Meron na kayong muses? Sa August 16? Meron na?
Si Ken po.
Ha?
Si Ken.
Ano? Muse? Sino? Ken? Sino yun?
Si Ken. Hindi si Ken. Hindi po siya kasali. From Viva. Kasi from Viva Records siya.
Records si Ken.
Okay.
May muse na ba kayo? Parang wala yata, wala?
Meron pong cheer dance team. May cheer dance team, di ba?
Yes
so,
po, meron.
maraming muse dun.
Hindi, bukod sa basketball. Basketball lang ba talaga mapapanood sa August 16?
I think magkakaroon po tayo ng volleyball,
meron ba?
right? And cheer dance competition ng Team Viva 1 and Team Viva Records.
Okay.
Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Yeah? Yeah.
Meron din?
Yes po.
Cheer dance. Okay, good luck, boys.
Thank you so much, Sir Junardo. Wow. Next, let's have from Philippine Daily Inquirer, Alan Policarpio. Hi, Sir Alan.
Hi, good afternoon. For everyone, pwedeng describe lang yung individual playing styles nyo, what position you play, and may mga go-to shot ba kayo, favorite shots? Ayun.
Sige, ikaw, Jai. Ano yung playing style mo?
Dinking.
Hindi ba
pickleball? Sorry. Nandun kasi ngayon yung utak ko. Siguro, ang hirap We don't wanna give away everything kasi syempre baka ma-scouting report ng coaches sa kabila. So, siguro, more on playmaking. Seth Curry, not Steph. More on playmaking siguro when it comes to me. Siyempre, knowing the lineup, importante talaga yung someone will set the pace, someone will set the tone, someone will set up the plays for the team. So, hanggang doon na lang muna siguro yung pwede namin i-share. Pero I guess everybody plays different play styles naman na makakatulong sa team. But for me, more on playmaking. We'll focus on that.
Yung position mo din and may go-to shot ka ba?
Point guard. I'll be playing the point for the team. And then, go-to shot, 3 points.
3 points all the way. Ikaw naman, Lance.
Play style ko po, more on ano po, I love to defend po, defense. Kasi like, yun po yung role ko sa school ko dati na ang task po sa akin ni Coach, shoutout Coach Jess, ang task niya sa akin dati is to guard the best player on the opposing team. And then siguro hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin po yung gagawin ko. And position would be shooting guard, small forward. Pero in high school, I used to play the 4, power forward. And then go-to shot. Yeah, 3-point siguro.
Same thing with Lance. I really enjoy defending, and I also like facilitating the ball and rebounding.
Joseph, ano lang, position mo and may go-to move or shot ka ba?
Position one or two, and then go to shot. I guess more on driving to the basketball.
For me, play style, sabi mo, bro. Siguro, yun nga, 2 or 3. Tapos, go to step back siguro.
Ako po, point guard, tapos mas pasa lang. Mas mahilig po ako magpasa, pero go-to shot ko siguro 3 points.
My role is like rebounding, and I feel like I love defending. Like, I love being the reason why you hate being on the court, because I'm just gonna be up your, up your back the whole time. So, go-to shot, I don't know. I think how's it called? The Pinoy step that I'm trying to achieve. Give me a little bit of time, I'll get it. You better watch out, yeah.
Si Marco lagi nang aamba, no? How about for the Team Viva Records? How about you guys?
Ako po, primary position. Siguro shooting guard and small forward. Pero kaya din naman pong 1 to 4. Ayan. Siguro go-to shot ko, fade away layup. Mga ganun. Pero, ganun lang.
Ikaw naman, Rob?
Shooting guard or small forward. Pwede rin ako mag-power forward, if ever. Pero, go to move? Step mom. Step back pala. Step back. Yan.
Amiel?
Ako usually point guard, pero for our team, baka ako. Mga 4 or 5, ganyan. Pero, ang go-to ko, pumalakpak. Sa teammates. Yan. Kailangan yun kasi energy.
Yes.
Energy sa team.
Love that. Ikaw naman, Migo.
Ako po, usually, pag sumasali ako ng team, talaga 2, 3, 4 talaga yung binibigay sa akin. Which is shooting guard, small forward, and power forward. Depende sa sitwasyon. Pero paborito ko talaga gawin is defense talaga. Defense is offense talaga. Lumaki ako sa sistema na kailangan depensa talaga kasi doon mo mas makukuha yung score eh. And ayun. Hindi naman daw kasi hindi ako nakaka-shoot ng mga perimeter.
And another one, if I may. For the Viva Records players, anong hype song nyo before a game? Anong mga pinapakinggan
Ako
nyo?
po, favorite ko talaga bago tumugtog. Maglaro pala. Paraluman by Adi. Yan talaga, parang pag di ko napatugtog yun, parang ayoko na lang maglaro eh. Buti na lang kampi ko siya. Oh no, I lost my AirPods.
Nakaka-hype nga yun.
Ako yung kung bibitaw ng mahina para pag bumitaw, mahinahon lang. Kaya yung kanta ni Arthur Neri.
Oh.
Wala si Arthur, hindi namin mapagtripan eh.
Ikaw naman, Rob. Ano yung hype song mo?
Ano ba? Yung lagi kong pinapatugtog papunta sa court yung yung sa bawat sandali ni Emil Sol. Kasi kapag magulo na nga ang mundo, di ba? I-trace mo na yan.
Adi?
miss ni Rob. Pag para hindi mag-miss. Kumbaga, nilalabanan mo yung pinapakinggan mo sa court. Ay, sorry.
For the Viva naman, gaano ka-importante yung court, drip or style? Parang may mga mahilig ba sa inyo sa sapatos? Sino sa inyo yung mga enthusiast pagdating dyan?
No, I mean, I don't really care about shoes, but like, there was a time that I had like really long hair and I didn't know how to deal with it at the game, so I got the braids, but I didn't realize how it would look in the context of me having braids at a basketball game. So, I was like, oh, well, I didn't mean it that way, but, I liked it. I really liked it. Yeah. But if I could get the braids every time I get in a game, it'd be cool. I think next time, if I can, by August, I'll shave my head. And Rodman had like the different patches of color. If I don't have work, I swear, man, I'll do it.
Yung iba baka meron din.
Ikaw naman, Robin. Meron ka ba yung mga shoes na kailangan suot mo or like
Ako
yung...
parang hindi na siguro ako poporma yung laro na iisipin ko.
As is na lang.
Oo.
Okay, Gab?
For me, yung pinaka-importante kung gaano ka-comfy yung shoes mo eh. Hindi na sa forma. So, yung pinaka-comfiest shoes na panglaro. And arm sleeve siguro kasi sinusuot namin ni Jai yung Whoop para hindi maputol. Kasi nung unang binili ni Jai yung Whoop band niya, meron taong dumidepensa sa kanya na sobrang competitive. Naputol niya. So, kailangan bumili ng another Whoop band na 4K. Hulaan niyo na lang kung sino. Lance.
Sorry sa Whoop band mo, bro. Okay lang na napalitan ko naman na yun, di ba? Well, yeah, I'm not much of an accessory guy. Like, hindi ako knee pads, arm sleeves. So, wala. Nakasanayan ko lang po dati eh. Baka maging uncomfy lang ako pag ganun. And shoes naman, as long as yung komportable lang sa paa. And parang I always make sure na pag may laro ako, hindi bagong sapatos yung gamit ko. Kasi yun po yung masakit sa paa talaga.
Same thing. It's all about comfort for me. And siguro, pinaka-importante sa akin, hindi ako nagsusuot ng high-cut. It's always low-cut shoes.
Oh, okay. Ikaw naman, Jai?
Yeah, same with them. Importante talaga na comfortable yung shoes. You never use new shoes when it comes to game day. Kasi kailangan mo pa talaga i-break in yon. So, importante yung shoes. And yun, yung sa amin ni Gab, kasi nga tinatakpan namin yung Whoop. But actually now, since I have wrist injury, so baka supporter muna or anything. So, yun, di naman kayo maporma eh. It's more on the game. At saka, kung di nyo kami natatanong yung hype song ng buong team, sorry Rob pero gusto din namin yung Miss Miss ni Gab Lagman eh.
May version ba si Gab?
Hindi, yun yung kinakanta namin ni Haya sa mall show. Bro, favorite song ko yun.
Bro, nagpipigil lang si Gab nung anniversary nung Viva, pero gusto niya
Bro,
mag-duet talaga kayo nung Miss Miss, bro.
First time
As
ko
in.
mapanood live, sobrang na-amaze ako. Sabi ko, kay ni Kuya
Nagpipigil lang siya nun. Actually, pinipigilan din namin siya nun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Alan. Wow. Next, we have from Abante, June Lalin.
Hello, yeah. Kanina sabi ni Adi, sabi mo mahilig ka magpasa, di ba? Oh, mahilig ka lang magpasa ng bola, di ba? Kanina sabi mo. Oh, you said it. Yeah, Oo, sinabi mo yun. My gosh. Hindi, ano ba? Hindi si Adi, di ba?
Si Robin po.
Si Robin ba?
Opo, sorry po.
Hindi ba ikaw? Tapos
po.
sabi mo may 3 points, di ba?
Si Robin po.
Anyway, sige. Si Robin na lang. Okay, yan.
Apo.
Mapupunta kay Robin yung question, hindi sa'yo sayang. Anyways, Robin, sabi mo mahilig ka magpasa. Sige, kahit hindi ko yung narinig ko talaga. Pero kasi sa basketball, even marami akong kilalang players, no, professionals, mga collegiate, nagiging issue sa kanila yung pagpapasa. May sinasabing buwakaw kasi hindi mahilig magpasa. Or instead na, kumbaga, yung maluwag, ang dali-daling magpasa dito sa isa, sa iba ipapasa. May mga ganun nagiging issue. Sa inyo rin ba, may mga ganung issue?
Hindi
Yung mga
po eh. Sa
buwakaw,
amin po
pasahan?
talagang umiikot yung bola. Parang mas gusto na po namin yung easy basket kesa sa ipipilit pa namin ni Tira. So kung sino yung open, dun na lang namin ibibigay.
Pero you guys, may mga ganun experience kayo, yung iba? May mga naiinis kayo kasi instead na, ayan, napaka-open, tapos instead na sa
Opo,
inyo
parang-
ipasa, sa iba pa ipapasa.
Hindi naman po maiiwasan yung ganun siguro sa
Yeah.
training.
Yeah. How about you, Joseph? Yeah.
I think at the end of the day, you have to earn the trust of your teammates. So it's very important na, na makalaro mo talaga, tsaka makapag-training ka sa mga teammates mo para maintindihan ng lahat kung bakit mo pinasa doon sa player na yun. Like, kasi mayroong mga first option, second option. So sometimes, especially if it's crucial, you have to prioritize, the person kung sino talaga yung nakaka-score. So, yeah, I think kailangan rin talaga ng understanding. You cannot, hindi ka pwede magtampo or ma-feel bad. At the end of the day, like what Lance said, it's all about character. So, yeah.
The singers, the Viva Records, boys, kayo may mga ganong experiences kayo?
Hello. Yun nga po, situational din po kasi siya eh. It depends dun sa sitwasyon. So, if magulo po yung takbo ng game, mas okay po na nabalansein po yung play ng isang team. So, pero if merong hot hand, kung tinatawag, kung sino man yung mainit sa court, sino yung merong momentum, okay lang na magkaroon siya ng sariling moment, gano'n. So, if kaya niya mag-isolation, go. Kung kaya niyang tumira kung saang paraan niya gusto, go lang. So, ayun. It depends sa situation po talaga.
Yeah.
Ganun po.
Yeah. Thank you, Adi.
Thank you din po.
Yeah. Kay Lance, is it your first time to play? Kasi lagi ko nakikita sa mga videos mo, ang dami mong pinaglalaruan eh. Laging mga basketballs. Pero is it your first time in Araneta to play basketball?
No po, it's gonna be my 5th time po ata. And playing in Araneta pala. Kasi sa dati ko pong network, nakapaglaro po ng All-Star game, mga tatlong beses. And then yung MVP Cup last Feb, and then this is the 5th time. I'm gonna play in Araneta.
Oo. Siyempre, you're going back to Araneta. Ano yung dapat mong ingatan, itago, para siguradong hindi ka mawalan this time, okay? Kasi, siyempre, Araneta, kumbaga, parang ano yan sa'yo eh, may something. Oo,
May trauma na pa ako sa lugar na yun.
Baka madala na naman sa China yung phone mo, di ba?
Sakto papunta kaming Hong Kong this September, hanapin ko po doon yung phone ko. Kasi nandun pa rin yung phone ko.
Malay mo, this time, totoong magbigay si Marco ng donation na
Yun nga, dapat kung magbigay man siya ng donation, sana man lang yung alam ko. Kasi bigla siyang bumitaw ng salita. O sino may, bibigay kami ng 20,000. Sabi ko, bro, wala akong 20,000 dito. Siyempre yung bank ko na sa cellphone ko, paano ko mabibigay yun?
Yeah, pero yun, anong iiwasan mo? Anong mo? Sisiguraduhin mo, masecure yung phone mo this time? Kasi baka mamaya habang naglalaro kayo, iniisip mo, baka mawala ang cellphone, no?
Siguro iwan ko na lang po sa dad ko yung phone ko para sigurado pong hindi manakaw.
Better.
Okay, pero syempre, no, ang daming excited, Lance. Ikaw kasi alam nila na ang galing-galing mong mag-basketball. I was texting Direct Jerry Codiniera asking kung sino yung magaling talaga sa inyo. Hindi siya sumasagot eh. Feeling ko parang walang magaling. Oo. Hindi, pero yun, Lance, ikaw yung isa sa inaasahan na who will really play na magaling. Oo, kasi ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan when it comes to basketball.
Yeah, there have been quite a few times na nakaramdam ako ng pressure when playing Pero at the same time, it's my 5th time playing in Araneta. It's really different from my 1st and 2nd and 3rd time. Kasi iba yung atmosphere ng Araneta eh. Parang nakakalula yung crowd, yung laki ng big dome. Pero at the end of the day, you have to be composed eh. Parang hindi ka dapat mataranta, hindi mo isipin na, oh, maraming tao, dapat ako yung pinakamaraming points. Ako dapat yung bida dito, which is not the case. Sa akin talaga yung habol ko lang kung ano po yung matulong ko sa team. Basta manalo lang po kami. Yun lang po talaga.
Yeah, you mentioned your dad kanina. So, guys, I just want to know, I'm sure your dad's supporting you dito sa game na to. Yung iba, sino yung in-expect nyo to be there to support? Yan. Unahin natin si Jairus.
May sakit kaya yata. Syempre my family. My family would be there. Some of my friends as well. So, yun yung mga inaasahan nating support system talaga na manonood for us. Yeah. And syempre si Nicole will be playing also yata for volleyball. So, for sure magso-support naman siya for the whole team para sa amin, right?
Okay, Joseph, si Ren ba?
Yeah, she's gonna watch.
Talaga?
Actually, part siya ng in-announce ba yun? I think so, right? Yung cheer dance team.
Okay.
Yeah, so she's gonna watch.
I'm sure ikaw talaga yung dahilan kung bakit mag-cheer siya. Yes, Joe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay. Gab. Yeah.
For me, yun, family and friends, the University Series fans, and the High Gab. But for me, I'm excited for my dad's gonna watch because he puts me on, I remember when I was a kid, Milo training pa nun eh. So, Milo Best, yeah. And Kids Hoops. So, excited ako na mapanood niya ako and he used to be a player back in high school. So, yun.
Okay, Ravin, yan. Makikita ba namin si
Si Angela. Opo. Tsaka si mami ko po siguro pupunta siya. Pero si Angela, part din po kasi siya ng cheer dance. So, nandun po sigurado siya.
Yeah, how about Marco?
The boys. The boys will come. The boys from the gym, all of them will come. Yeah. And, I practice with them at Flair every time. And I'm excited to show off my skills, whatever I learned there. I'll be showing it to them. Yeah.
Yeah, si Adi. Yeah, Adi.
Siguro po, family and friends, and of course, yung Admores po, yung mga sumusuport po sa akin. Ayun po.
Si Rob Daniel.
Yun, family and friends. Manonood din yung girlfriend ko doon. And syempre yung robbers. Mahal na mahal ko yan. Yan.
Yeah, how about Emil? Yeah.
Same po. Family, friends, girlfriend ko, and soulmates. Ayan. So, excited ako na masuportahan. And yung mga kapitbahay ko na kalagi kong kasama mag-basketball simula bata ako. Manonood sila. And I'm really happy na, ayun, makikita nila yung kalaro nilang dugyutin nung bata na, nakakalaro sa Araneta.
Yeah. How about Migo?
Sa akin, family and friends din po. Siyempre, Serenade Boys, Ritmo and Amigos. Manonood yan. And yun.
Sa daming fans ng mga singers, no? Kayo, di ba? Siyempre, are you also going to sing intermission number? No? You'll just play basketball? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. There you have it. Next, let's have from Manila Times, Iza Iglesias. Hi, Ms. Iza.
Hi, hello. Aside sa games, ano pa yung dapat abangan ng mga fans na manonood? Meron pa bang other part ng program apart from the game itself?
I think in general yung tropahan na makikita na hindi naman usually nakikita on other halimbawa sa TV, sa streaming or sa mga gigs. Yung mga kung paano kami mag-bonding, kung paano rin kami maglaro. I think yung general gist of who we are outside of music and acting, yun yung parang isa sa mga masayang abangan sa laro.
Thank you, Amiel. For sure, nagpe-prepare na kayo for the upcoming games. May mga practice na kayo. Ano yung mga, sa tingin nyo, na discover nyo sa mga teammates nyo while preparing or doing practice na hindi alam ng mga fans? Na ganito pala si ganyan. Yon.
Mga newly found discovery sa
Yes.
isa't isa. Ayan.
Yes.
Ikaw, Gab, may mga na-discover ka ba recently sa mga ka-teammates mo na parang, ganito pala siya.
Nakakasama ko kasi silang lahat na talaga besides Robin. Pero yung buong team sobrang competitive kasi after practice meron kaming scrimmage. So magkalaban yung team and lahat ayaw nagpapatalo. So one time si Wilbert sobrang ganda ng laro niya na cramps pa nga siya sa giving his 100% effort. Pinost niya ata yun pero yun, na-cramps siya kasi we were playing scrimmages the whole time. So yun. And grabe, shoutout sa hook shot ni Wilbert.
Wow.
Abangan niyo.
Shout out to Bird. How about you, Team Viva Records? Ano yung mga newly found discoveries nyo sa isa't isa na na-discover nyo lang preparing for the games?
Ayun, marunong din po talaga lahat sa amin. Siguro, yun yung nagulat ako. Like, hindi more on individual yung priority ng bawat isa. Hindi kanya-kanya ganun. So, marunong makisama sa buong team po. Ayan po.
Ano ba? Siguro yung, ayun din niya, yung sinabi ni Adi. Na, ayan, yung mga teammates na, yung team namin is marunong talaga mag-basketball and alam nila kung paano manalo sa basketball, which is yan, teamwork, and ayun yung ginagawa namin yun sa practice. So,
Ikaw naman, Emil. Ano yung newly found discoveries
Ah,
mo sa...
I think yung pagiging sporty lang in general ng mga co-Viva Records ko. Kasi, syempre, usually, makikita ko lang sila kumakanta, or nagsusulat ng mga kanta, tumutugtog. Pero, alam mo yun, medyo bagong new sight to see talaga na, naka-jersey si Rob, ganyan. Diba? Kasi makikita mo lagi, naka-formang-forma mag-gig, diba? Parang, diba, yung mga ganong sports and music, saan mo lang ba makikita yun na magkasama sa Quiapo? Pero, ayun, ganun. So, parang fresh sightings na, sports talaga yung namin ngayon. Hindi kami pumunta dito para magsulat ng kanta, tumugtog, ganyan, para maglaro naman.
Yeah, out of the usual. Diba? Ikaw naman, Migo.
Siyempre ako, pag nagbabasketball, tinitingnan ko yung strength and weaknesses namin And nakita ko yun, hindi lang sa team, siyempre, sa sarili ko, kung ano pang kailangan kong i-work. And, ayun, nagulat ako na sobrang dedicated ng team, lalo-lalo na si Coach Ronnie, na nakakatuwa kasi na-miss ko talaga yung ganong atmosphere. Yung talagang, yung training na talagang mapapasuka ka or talagang hihingalin kaya habulin mo yung hininga mo. And something na talagang natutuwa ako.
There we go. Okay, Marco, you want to add something?
Yeah, no, actually, I just wanted to say, all I'm hearing is everybody nagugulat sila na marunong pala sila mag-basketball. Everybody here obviously knows how to play basketball, but do you guys have chemistry? That's the question.
Yeah,
'Cause,
okay.
what we're bringing here to the table is...
Okay, tell us about it, Marco.
It's just chemistry that goes beyond off the court. We have this connection.
Okay.
Y'all I don't know, are you guys close between each other?
Okay.
Is there gonna be some ego between the whole group? 'Cause
Migo, you want to answer
I
in
don't
English?
know.
Ako honestly, kasi before, lagi kami naglalaro ng boys And ako confident ako na yung chemistry namin talagang walang katulad. And kami kasi, competitive kami at the same time, nag-enjoy kami. And tingin ko, ayun yung reason kung bakit mag-work kami as a team. And feel ko, may laban naman, Kuya Marco.
So, Migo, feeling mo kaya mo tapatan si Marco?
Oo naman, kahit sino naman eh. Kahit sino itapat. Kasi,
oh my God, sure, dude.
Love you, Kuya Marco.
Just also letting you know, we didn't need an import. We're all original Viva One.
Ah, okay. So,
so how about you talk when you guys don't have an import? Yeah.
Marco, tama na,
No?
baka karamahin tayo dyan.
Bro, tama na please. Tama na. They get it.
Hindi ka kaya karamahin yan.
I'm gonna eat you at the game, bruh.
si Emil, anong pang-rebut mo doon? Gusto ko marinig mag-rebut. Ano yung, how are you gonna sell your team aims? Kay Marco, paano yung pang-rebut mo, yung ano mo kay Marco? Ano man sabi mo?
Yes, I agree. I agree with everything that you said.
Siguro na lang kayo, chill lang kayo, but makita-kita na lang tayo sa court.
Yes,
Yun na lang.
let's make the game do the talk.
We're not gonna speak much, but we're gonna see each other in the court. Tama. Marco, satisfied? Marco Gallo, satisfied ka naman sa ano nila?
Yeah, no, I'm just setting the tone, you know.
All right, beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, now we are down to our last person who's going to ask a question. We have from Abante tonight, Roldan Castro. Hi, Sir Roldan.
Kanina po nabanggit nyo na ang coach nyo ay si Jerry Condinera and si Sir Ronnie Magsanok. So, kumusta po siya? Stricto ba sila? Ano po yung mga na-discover nyo sa dalawang ito?
Sa amin po, si Coach Ronnie nung una naming training, very ano lang siya, parang chill lang. Pero napansin ko as the trainings go by, mas nagiging stricto siya. And I think that's a good thing kasi parang mas nagtitiwala siya sa amin na kaya naming sumabay unti-unti sa kung ano yung standards niya. And I think as a team naman, nagagawa naman namin na kahit na hindi naman kami professional sports players, nag-give naman namin yung best namin. And I think Coach Ronnie sees that. So I think he's proud of us and he trusts na everything that we're doing is towards trying to win this game.
Ano rin yung pinaka-advice nyo na natatandaan nyo na dapat ganito ang gawin natin?
Ayun nga, tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, it's just being part of the system. Na kapag sama-sama naming tinahak tong daan na trying to win, I think we're going to have better chances if we just do this thing together and not be individualistic in this game.
Okay, thank you. Sa Team Viva One, kay Sir Jerry Codinera.
Yeah, si Coach Jerry, syempre one of the Hall of Fame PBA players. So we are so grateful na siya yung coach namin. And nakakatuwa nga sa scrimmage po kasi he plays with us. So very competitive din siya and syempre ayaw niya nagpapatalo. So yun yung lagi niyang sinasabi sa amin. Basta have a chemistry, run and run and run, maging kondisyon, and just enjoy the game. Kasi pagdating doon, just give 100%.
Okay, so yung last question ko, paano kung ikari talaga ng coach nyo na mag-training kayo sa dagat? Pabor ba kayo? At dapat ba talaga na mag-train sa dagat? Kasi yung iba sinasabi, basketball naman to, hindi naman to swimming, something like that. Pero yung iba sinasabi nila pampalakas to ng buto-buto or something. Anong opinion nyo dyan?
Siguro po sa swimming pool muna para relax lang.
Mm-hmm. Lance.
Okay. In my opinion po, I actually went through water training, pero sa pool lang din naman, para kontrolado lang din because we can't really, kasi pag inabot na po sa dagat, we can't really know what to expect. The waves, kung may riptide ba, kung malakas ba yung current. But I think every team should just strictly follow safety protocols, safety rules whenever experiencing cross-training. Because a lot of teams do that. Kahit kami dati nag-cross-training kami sa soccer field, ganun. But I think the priority always, if you're not comfy within doing other stuff, doing cross-training, I think it should be highly recommended na safety protocol should be followed and observed. That's my take on it.
Thank you. May dagdag ba ang Team Viva Records? Okay na. So thank you po.
All good. Maraming salamat po. Wow, there we go. Palakpakan naman natin lahat ng mga questions na sinagot ng ating basketball players over here. Now that our Q&A has officially concluded, we invite again everyone to witness the most exciting celebrity basketball event of the year. Again, the Viva All-Star Games 2026 happening on August 16, 2026 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Pero boys, can I request for you guys to stand up for one last photo opportunity to sa unahan? There we go. Thank you so much. I'm just pretty sure everybody's going to be extra excited kasi hindi lamang basketball yung matutunghayan natin, meron ding volleyball, cheer dance, what else? A lot of intermission numbers, I believe. So iba't ibang performances from different people are gonna happen that night. Okay, so picture tayo, guys. There you have it. Okay. Ayan. Thank you so much. How about let's favor to the right first? Ayan. Favor muna tayo sa right. Smile. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. And beautiful. How about to our left? Dito naman tayo sa kaliwa natin mag-favor. Picture. Picture, picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, how about to our center naman? Let's favor to the center, please. Again, tickets are available through TicketNet and at all TicketNet outlets nationwide. Okay, so please secure your tickets. Maraming salamat po for the tickets. Available just at TicketNet and at all TicketNet outlets nationwide. Be sure to secure your seats early and join us for this one-of-a-kind celebration of sports and excitement. Again, maraming salamat for joining us this afternoon, and we look forward to seeing you all on August 16 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Thank you all for coming and supporting us. We'll see you at August 16, Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maraming salamat po.